Good morning, my fellow engineers. Today I'm going to be doing the complete video on how to use the multimeter. So I will be starting with the continuity line, which is the boson line, which is used to check reading in the mobile phone PCB. So this is the point of the continuity line. After being set, you place your red cable, which is the positive, to the ground of the mobile phone PCB. Then use the black wire, which is the negative line, to read when checking for the continuity and read and checking if the point in the mobile phone PCB is reading properly or not. So now let's check if the speaker line in this mobile phone PCB is reading or not. So in the speaker line, the positive line is reading 450 reading, then the negative line is reading 153, 55 reading. So this shows that the speaker line in this mobile phone PCB is reading properly and there will be no breakout when the phone is powered on. When reading, you can still use the continuity line to check many readings in the mobile phone PC. So using the multimeter to read if the button and other parts in the mobile phone PC is reading properly, you place the red cable, then you use the black cable to read. This is the VBAT line, this indicates that the VBAT line is reading properly. This is the button line, which indicates that it's reading properly. In the mobile phone PCB, when identifying between the VBAT line and the button line mostly have high reading more than the VBAT line to be able to differentiate the both lines. Then this is the ground with all the negative line in the battery terminal. When reading for the charging port line, reading the DN and the DP and reading the D port. This shows that all points are intact and all readings are accurate. So in general, this continuity line is used to check reading on mobile phone PCB to know if a particular point is connected and is reading properly. So when using the continuity line and you notice that a particular point is not reading, that shows that there's no connection or the line has been breaking. So you need to locate the line, you need to trace it and connect it back so that that point can be reading properly. So now we're moving to the voltage, checking the voltage in the mobile phone PCB. So that you need to rotate the digital multimeter to the voltage line. They are going to be using the 20 volt to be reading the mobile phone PCB. So now, before reading for the voltage in the mobile phone PCB, you need to connect your battery so that you can get the accurate voltage. This point is mostly used to check the voltage in the mobile phone PCB. Currently, there's no battery yet to connect, and the DC supply is not good that. So let's take, for example, if the battery is connected and you want to read for the voltage that the battery is sending to the mobile phone PCB, you place the black cable on the ground. The ground can be on any of the sheets covering ICs and all these parts can be your ground. You place it on the ground surface, then you use the red cable to read the voltage. Let's say, for example, the battery you plug, you connect to this panel is on 3.7 volts. When reading, you will notice that the same voltage, which is 3.7, on the battery will be sent to this panel when reading the VBAT. You check the same voltage when reading the VBAT. So voltage can only be changed when the voltage is supplied to the mobile phone PCB. So this will be the end of the class. And if there's anything you don't understand in all of our thoughts and all that I've explained, please kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section and I will kindly react to it or explain more. Thanks for watching.